I think for one thing that the U.S. economic data gave them good reason to move. U.S. economic activity has increased pretty significantly from a very lackluster first half of the year. You also saw inflation picking up as well. Another reason for the Fed, if they want to stick to their two mandates, to move in terms of raising rates this year as well. I thought basically the economic activity has improved significantly from where we were just a few months ago, giving the Fed good reason to want to move on raising rate hikes as they did. How this matters for U.S. households, for example, is that higher interest rates will give savers a little bit more money when they open up their bank accounts. Although it will also be a cost for borrowers when they go take out a mortgage or take out a car loan. So those factors are at play when we see higher interest rates. The Fed gave us some indication, or at least Fed members suggested that maybe the economy is strong enough that they might want to raise rates just a little faster than they thought in September.
We've known that the Fed was going to raise rates. They told us that back in December 2015, and it's just a question of when. And the longer that it took, the finish line got closer and closer. I think we predicted that prior to the election, as we got closer to the election, that the Fed really wasn't going to make a move. So we knew that the window was going to be quite shorter after the election, and this seems to be the time in which the members of the Fed unanimously felt that raising rates was the right thing to do. So I think everyone, traders, Main Street, Wall Street, and the market itself has felt very comfortable with this information, knowing that this was coming. Economically, our economy, like I said before, has gotten better. It has gotten stronger. And if you look over the last month, 2 months, there's been no major negative headlines to stop this market. So if you've been in this market and you're looking for a reason to sell, you really haven't gotten it yet. So I think that also contributes to the market trending higher.